Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, I want to show you how to transform this everyday daily look into a nighttime look, and it's going to be maybe like a holiday festive look, something with some cranberry tones. So if you are interested in seeing how to transform your daytime look into a nighttime look, then please continue to watch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Alright beauty, so we're going to turn this daytime look into a nighttime look, and we're going to do it fast because we don't have much time before we lose the light. So we'll pull off these lashes, and just to catch any fallout, I'm going to put some powder underneath my eyes. I'm just going to use a brush and just tap that right there. Alright, now we're going to add some P. Louise base on the lid to help the new shadow stick that we're going to put down. Oh, and the powder we used is the crayon case, letter C. And let's go ahead and add this base all over the lid and blend that out. Alright, that is good. We have an even palette. Now it's time to get into the shadows, and I'm going to be using the Tati Beauty palette because it has all the glitter and everything in one palette. So we're going into Tati Beauty's palette, and we're going to go ahead and go right into this cranberry color right here with a big fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to tap that right from the outer V into the crease. And once that color's in place, I'm going to start to blend it. So start to blend it. But you don't want it to get too intense too quickly, so take your time. So that's already pretty. Looking at that, I'm already like, okay. So next I want to go into this brown color called Ritual Matte. And I want to add that into the crease right underneath where I added the cranberry color, just to deepen it. Okay, and I don't want it to get too deep, so now that I've added that color, I'm going to go back into this Poet Matte and blend it again right over the brown. I just really wanted to make that Poet a deeper color of the same. Alright, so that is really pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, but it's not going to be like a super precise cut crease. I just wanted to let the color stick on the lid where I want it to be. So I'm just going to go into this and go right here and just cut. Alright, so that's pretty even. Now I'm going to go back into this color here called Ritual Matte, the brown one, and blend that onto the outer V. Okay, and then I want this to once again just be a deeper cranberry color. So I'm going to go into this big fluffy blending brush and go back into Poet color there and just tap that on top. Okay, so it's looking really pretty so far. Now I'm going to go into a flat brush, and I'm going into the color Aura Sequence right here and putting that onto the lid. So So that looks really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and blend this side out. The sides out, excuse me. Alright, so isn't that pretty? So pretty. Now we have this whole palette with glitter in it. We cannot ignore the glitter, and this is going to be like a holiday look. So I'm going in with the Aura glitter. Just right here. I'm going to put that onto my lid. And this sticks really good without adhesive. This is like the best pressed glitters I've used. All the other ones I use are like too greasy, and this one is very, very dry. Okay, now I'm going in with the brush. When you go in with the brush, you want to make sure that your brush is coated very well to get the preciseness that you want to get. Oh, that's so pretty, you guys. So that's good on that side. Now we're going to go ahead and do this other side. So pretty, right? So now I'm going to go into this Cranberry Poet and also this Sequence Poet and just blend that onto the sides into the glitter so that there's a transition. Alright, so that's so pretty to me. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, y'all. So I'm just going to kind of blend away anything on the sides there. And I'm going to blend this right here with the big fluffy blending brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines on the ends. And I'm going to go ahead and go into my setting powder now and line up the sides just to clean that up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the under eyes, going into Memory Matte here and tapping that underneath the eye. Okay, then going into Poet Matte and tapping it underneath my eye here. And then I'm going to go into Soothe Matte to blend this out. And that is good. Now what I'm going to do is blend away the shadows underneath. I mean the powder underneath. But I'm going to leave that line there. And then I'm going to go back into the powder and actually re-add some more just to line up underneath the eyes, because the shadows underneath just made it look a little darker. And I'll just let that sit for a second. I'm going to do a black for the waterline just to really make it a little smoky. See that? Nice and smoky. So that is very, very pretty. Now I'm going to line with some liner. So we're going to put the lash there, but that glitter is going to shine through. So I'm going to go into a black liner. So that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put some lash glue on the lashes while we start to sweep away the rest of the powder and get ready to finish this look. So I got the lash glue sitting on the lashes. Now let's go ahead and start to brush away this excess powder. And I'm going back into Poet. Now we're going to add our inner corner. In the corner, I'm going to go in with Aura Metallic. Alright, and then just to add a little bit more of a pinkish color, I'm going to go into the Poet Metallic. Add that on top. Then I'm going to go back into the Aura once more. on top of that. Alright, so that's good, so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my eye in the front a little bit of a cat eye. So I'm going in with the liner and I'm going to just do a straight line just to give my eye a little bit of a cat eye shape. And I'm going to go underneath this line. An aura right underneath here. A little bit of mascara. While that lash glue is drying, we're going to add some blush. I'm going into the Monica Dar blush. And this is in the color Paradise Blush. This blush is really pretty. It is very intense, so I'm going to go over with this brush here. And then tap over it again. This brush that had the powder on it, but you can see it adds a little bit of highlight, which is really pretty. Then I'm going to go in with my bronzing brush here without adding product, just to blend everything together. Then I'm going to add my highlight right here. Now I'm going to go over the lash line with a black liner. Add a little bit more highlight there. I'm going to spray my face down with this Milani Make It Last spray. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to really show you how to take a daytime look to a nighttime look and even a holiday party look, because it is the holidays now. Sometimes you may have to go to work and there's a holiday party after, and I just wanted to show you a quick way to transition your daytime look into a nighttime look. So let me know if this was helpful to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you love this look the way I do. I think it is so pretty. So let me know in the comments below. Give me a like if you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching. I appreciate your support so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.